Most people believe fixing your life takes years, but the truth is, it can begin in a single day. One decision. One moment where you finally say, enough. Picture this. You wake up tomorrow, and instead of reaching for your phone, you reach for yourself. For the version of you that's been buried under excuses, procrastination, and fear. Because the honest truth, your life doesn't change in slow motion. It changes in a snap. When you cut off the old patterns, when you burn the bridges to the person you no longer want to be. That's the do or die moment. Every story of transformation, whether it's the addict who gets sober, the broken soul who starts again, or the average person who suddenly becomes unstoppable, it always begins with one day. Not a perfect day, not a magical day, just the day they decided that the old life is over. So ask yourself, if not today, when? When the years slip by? When regret is heavier than hope? You already know what needs to be done. The call you've been avoiding, the work you've been postponing, the habits you've been excusing. The fix isn't out there in some future version of you. It's right now, today. In choosing discipline over distraction, courage over comfort, action over endless waiting. And here's the secret. Once you prove to yourself that change can start in one day, you'll never see life the same way again. Because suddenly, every sunrise becomes an invitation to start over. So this is your challenge. Kill the old life and step into the new one. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because if you don't, then today will just become another day you lost. The choice is yours. Do or die as the same person you swore you'd leave behind.